Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the free goods and economic goods. Now, we are going to discuss about that classification of goods. Classification of goods. Classification of goods. Say, the goods are classified into three types basically. Those are actually only two types. Those are free goods and another one is economic goods. Free goods and economic goods. See, in the last class we discussed that free goods and economic goods and what are the differences between free goods and economic goods. Just I would like to revise. The economic goods, man-made goods, and it will be supply will be limited, and these are, for example, the books, diamonds, gold and all the things. And whereas these goods are having more demand and exchange value will be more, as that at the same time free goods, if you talk, the free goods are gift of nature. These are that no price, and these are air, water, sunshine, like that. And these goods use value will be more, means that everybody will use. Without air the people cannot survive and all. So like this there are in the last class I have discussed. And one more thing I am telling you, the thing is, I would like, this is my plan. My plan is, I want to give you all the classes for total first year, second year of economics and CBSE, IB, A level, AS level and all the things. So you can subscribe my this thing and you can have all kinds of subjects. If you have any doubts also, my phone number is there. Even if you want to have some home tuitions like that, I can come and I will take that. So my phone number also in the last it will be given. Please subscribe this. And now that economic goods, again it's classified into three types. One is consumer goods. Another one is intermediary goods. And the last one is that producer goods. See, the consumer goods used by consumer. A consumer wants to use to satisfy his wants. Consumer goods also, again, these are two types. One is perishable goods and another one is durable goods. This perishable goods will be called as one time you are using. This is a number of times. Number of times you can use these goods. For example, perishable goods, water, milk, food, all these things you can use only one time. You cannot use number of times. By using this, a consumer is satisfying his wants. If these goods are having utility and these goods extracting, consumer is extracting utility to satisfy his wants directly. These are two types. I already told you the perishable goods which can be used only once, and durable goods number of times, dress, books and whatever it is, number of times, table, chair and all these things. So when you are able to use number of times, then it will be called as a durable goods. These goods will be produced by a producer goods. Next one is intermediary goods. These intermediary goods are very important for 2 marks in public examination. These intermediary goods are which a goods can be called as neither producer nor consumer. Means neither producer nor consumer. These goods in the process of production. These goods also can be called as a semi-producer goods. These goods, for example, I am telling you that wheat is there. Wheat is a producer goods. Wheat flour is there. Wheat flour is a intermediary goods and chapati is a consumer good. So here you should understand. So intermediary goods are very important for 2 marks. You should understand that intermediary goods are goods which can be satisfy human wants indirectly. It will not satisfy human wants directly. It is in the process of production. These goods also can be called as a semi-finished goods. Next one is a producer goods. Producer goods again 2 types. One is fixed goods, fixed and variable. Sometimes generally the producer goods also can be called as a capital goods. What are the producer goods? Generally will be called as factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization. These 4 are factors of production. These are very important. Without these things you cannot produce any goods and services. Land, remuneration will be paid, land will get rent, labor will get wages, capital will get interest, organization will get profit or loss. So this producer goods fixed means for building. It is a fixed in a short period. You cannot expand, you cannot contract. It does not have any elasticity. And variable goods means which can be used: power, raw material, labor wages. All these things can be called as a variable goods. These are a classification of goods which are very important. You are supposed to learn what are the classification of goods. So in the next class I am going to discuss about that utility and types of utility, which is very important. So my dear students, please subscribe it, and you understand. If you do not understand this concept, you can call me. My number is 9949019436. Thank you.